How to learn French faster for beginners. My name is Arvind and today I'll teach you the 6th step out of the 8 steps to learn French faster. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I think the most important reason to learn French is to make a conversation. What is the point in learning French if you don't learn to make a conversation? So the 6th step is learn the conversations. If you combine these steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you can easily make the conversations. Why we need to combine all these steps to make a conversation? Because without knowing the words, you cannot make a conversation. Without knowing the basics, you may not know how to combine the words in a meaningful way. Without the verbs, you cannot do anything. Conversation needs sentences. To make a conversation, you need to know how to ask questions. Even if you miss one step out of these 5 steps, then it will be very difficult for you to master the conversations. Let us see a very small conversation between Tom and Annie.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, et toi?
Bien, merci.
Tu visites le parc?
Oui, je le visite.
Au revoir.
As you see here, we could easily make the conversations once we combine all the previous 5 steps. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. If you think this video is helpful, consider subscribing this channel and also like and share. See you in step 7.